These are the cars even billionaires can't afford. Only one single example exists in the entire world. Even the richest people cannot simply walk in and buy them. The car company decides who gets to own one. Stay until the end because the number one car will completely blow your mind. If you love amazing cars, hit subscribe right now and turn on the bell. Number 10. The Mercedes-Maybach Exelero. This unique car costs over $8 million. Only one unit was ever built. It has 700 horsepower and can reach a top speed of 218 miles per hour. The interior features dark red leather, glossy carbon fiber, and sport seats with red harness-style seatbelts. Created in 2005 to test high-speed tires, this spaceship-like design remains hidden in a private collection today. Number 9. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Price $12.8 million. Only one unit exists in the world. It produces 453 horsepower with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The interior is minimalist luxury with ebony wood, dark spice leather, and a full panoramic glass roof. A customer asked Rolls-Royce to create a modern 1930s yacht on wheels. It took 4 years of handcrafting. Number 8. The Bugatti Chiron Profilée. Price around $10.7 million. Only one unique unit exists. It delivers 1,500 horsepower and reaches 236 miles per hour. The interior is the first ever Chiron with woven leather on the dashboard, door panels, and center console in blue and gray tones. This one-off version has a special sloping roofline and unique aerodynamics made only for one very special customer. Number 7. The McLaren X-1. This one-of-one hypercar was built by McLaren Special Operations. Only one example exists. It has 592 horsepower and a top speed of 218 miles per hour. The interior features custom red leather, Alcantara, and plenty of exposed carbon fiber. It was created for an anonymous collector who wanted a completely unique design, inspired by classic 1950s and 60s cars. Number 6. The Aston Martin Victor. This one-off supercar costs over $9 million. Only one unit was ever built. It produces 836 horsepower and can exceed 200 miles per hour. The interior mixes cashmere leather, walnut wood, carbon fiber, and titanium for a perfect blend of classic and modern. Aston Martin created it as a tribute to their 1970s and 80s muscle cars using pure British craftsmanship. Number 5. The Ferrari Omologata. Price around $6 million. Only one unit exists. It has 789 horsepower and reaches 211 miles per hour. The interior features electric blue leather seats with jeans fabric and a 4-point racing harness. Ferrari built this special car for one very important client with completely new handcrafted bodywork inspired by classic Ferrari racers. Number 4. The Ferrari P80. This one-of-a-kind, track-focused Ferrari costs over $4 million. Only one example was ever built. It produces over 700 horsepower with extreme aerodynamics for the track. The interior is a full racing cockpit with Alcantara seats, roll cage, and carbon fiber everywhere. It is Ferrari's most extreme one-off ever, based on the 488 GT3, but with a completely unique carbon fiber body. Number 3. The Lamborghini SC20. This open-top hypercar costs around $6 million. Only one unit exists in the world. It has 759 horsepower from a naturally aspirated V12 engine. The interior uses black and white Alcantara with leather and a pure racing feel. Lamborghini built it for a special client who wanted the ultimate open-air experience with no roof and no windshield. Number 2. The Ferrari SP38 Deborah. Price around $3.5 million. Only one unit was ever made. It delivers 670 horsepower and a top speed over 200 miles per hour. The interior features black Alcantara with striking red piping and stitching. This special Ferrari was built to celebrate one client's love for classic racing cars with bodywork inspired by the 1960s. Number 1. The Bugatti Voiture Noire. Price $18.9 million. Only one unit ever made. It produces 1,500 horsepower and can reach 261 miles per hour. The interior is pure black carbon fiber luxury with handcrafted details that match the mysterious exterior. This is the most expensive new Bugatti ever created as a tribute to the lost 1930s Type 57 Atlantic. You do not buy this car. Bugatti chooses the owner. It is the rarest rolling masterpiece on the planet. So which of these true one-of-one cars would you love to own if money was no problem? Tell me your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more amazing car content. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video.